Okay guys, let's go over the sketch again and see that we have this entity from this edge to the center point here is given to be 70, and this part that is showing this orange color here, we have it that the outer radius here is 25 and the diameter of the circle inside is 20. To this side there's a curve around here, and the curve radius is 20 mm, and a circle run through the dotted line, circle run through here, which has a diameter of 20, and the gap between here and here is 30. The thickness here is 10. So let's quickly go over that. Let me collapse this. We need to start with a line. Okay. We change it to construction line. For proper alignment, let's do this. Okay, it's already aligned, properly aligned. So let's give dimension now. See, here is 10 mm is this point here. This also is even to be 10. So just hit enter, and the inner part here is 30. 30, and here is 20. 20. Now let's use an arc, 3-point arc from here to here. A circle at this point. Let's give dimension. The radius here is 25. Let's check that. It's correct. The reason why the radius here is 25 was that the dimension here has been fully dimensioned well, which is 10, 10, 20, making 50. So if from here to here is 50, which is the diameter, then surely here to here, which is the radius, will be 25. Then let's give the dimension of this circle here, which is this, to be 20. So let's go and extrude. And what's the extrusion? The extrusion is 40. Here to here, 40. Let me bring this back. 40. Hit enter button. Collapsing this back. Now we are going to sketch on this side, which is this. So let's do that. Um, let me show you guys the message. Okay, does not show. Okay, I'll choose this plane. And I'll start here to this point. So I'm going to sketch a circle here. Now let's give dimension. Dimension of this is 20. Surely, since the total extrusion from here to here is 40, the radius of this is going to be 20. Since the center lies here, let's check it out. 20, and this is 20 also. The diameter of this is 20. So we're supposed to draw a line through here to close this, to make it a closed entity. But if you don't want to do that, you can do this instead. Convert entity, select this line, and convert it to entity. So this line here, this edge, automatically come back as a line, making the entity to be closed. So let's go to features, um, features, extrude boss base. The extrusion is 10 mm. You can see it from this side. The extrusion is 10 mm. So let's rotate, but it's pointing outward, and you can see down here selected contour. This is showing because we have um multiple boundaries. So I'm going to select this only as my boundary where it's going to extrude, then rotate. But you can see that the arrow is pointing outward instead of coming inside there. So change the direction here, then hit enter button. But we have a circular cut here, but this is just a semicircle. Go back to this, the latest operation you carried out, this small button at the back. Come here and go back to features. This time around, use extrude boss, extruded cut, and select this to cut that particular part. Now you have your full circle. But we have this same process we just carried out now. We have it on this other side also. So how we're going to do that? We're going to use mirror entity, mirror in the feature. So from here, you're going to choose a plane that runs directly, that is parallel to the feature you want to mirror. So let's check front plane, no. Top, yes, top run directly through the center. So go to features, mirror, plane, mirror face or plane, top plane, then our face. For better accuracy and speed, just come up here to this button where you see power default and all this. Click on this button. So the two things we want to mirror are the boss extrude 2 and cut 1. Yours might not be boss extrude 2. Depends on the activity you've already carried out before as you open your Solidworks. But here my own is showing boss extrude 2 and cut extrude 1. So those are the two features I want to mirror. So I select it. You can see the preview. Hit enter button. Now we have our features. But if you look at this place, there's a fillet here. The fillet is shown here. The radius of the fillet is 10 and is applied to both sides. That's why you have 2 by R10. So let's go to features and fillet. Radius of our fillet is 10 mm. So select this edge. Think I've made a mistake while sketching. I didn't give the distance from here to here. There's a mistake in the sketch. There's a mistake there. So let's go back and see the mistake. Now, you can see that from here to here is 45. It's here to here. It's 45. I didn't give the dimension earlier on. So 45. Now let's extrude. Extruding by 40. 40. In the second round, the same operation I carried out earlier on. There's no time to mirror. Notifications, mirror, features mirror, remember this, and say change, not like the former one I did. So let's apply the fillets now. Fillet radius is 10 mm. I can see the difference between what we did earlier. When we fillet the first one, the fillet cuts across this circle here, which is wrong. I'll be able to correct it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.